So I just found out yesterday that Neverty is leaving on Monday. Today is Sunday, so he's leaving tomorrow. And I just found out yesterday. So I don't know about all this stuff. Either he's gonna bring it with him or leaving it here. I don't know. I am the last person now living at the house. This house, my house. Last man standing. All my roommates already gone. Neverty just left like, today's Tuesday. Yesterday, Monday, he left for PNG. And I have the whole house to myself again. So I'm just like cleaning all this up. I think this is some of the clothes that they left that I'm just gonna throw it outside. Whoever wants it will collect it. I'm like in mixed emotion right now. I felt so lonely because like, I don't know, the feeling, I have a lot of mixed feeling. Anyway, I'm just gonna clean these things up first and then this is actually a rough setup for me right now. I'm trying to make this room into my studio, my YouTube studio. So probably gonna add more stuff at the back and put more backlight to separate me from the wall. But that's probably later. Wait, let me just try. I don't know if the light is working. Yeah, just a little light, but I'm gonna work on it and put probably 1 or 2 lights more here. Yeah, this is the start, cleaning out everything. I already cleaned this place up, so I didn't vlog anything here, but I cleaned it up. Let me just show you. So I decided to put that one as my arts and craft stuff. All my arts and craft. The only problem now is that this is the window to the near the road, the street. So I have to put a thick blanket later. But anyway, arts and craft, and then all my hygiene thingy, and then on top will be empty. Everything will be empty. So yeah, and this wall is empty, that wall is empty. But I'm gonna work on it. I think I have some painting there. I'll do some painting probably tonight or tomorrow. Just paint something and then stick it on the wall to make the wall a bit, interesting. So yeah, that's day 1. Well, actually it's day 2, but day 1. I want to show you guys something. Why am I wearing this? Not reading anything. I want to show you guys something. It is my own studio now. That was Neverty and Eddie's room. They all left, and I don't know yet if I'm gonna have roommates or I'm gonna move out of this place. I really don't know yet, but I made myself a studio. Just a little bit of creative space for me. That's all. So yeah, I actually did all this decoration and stuff here, and then yeah, transform everything. Finally, at last. So I made myself this little creative space of mine just to do creative stuff. I always do this head talking segment in Tim's place. Now I actually have my own place. So the background thing is just temporarily. I just fixed this, just trying to put something up. So I have Paisley's painting here. I found this painting. She left it and went home, and then that is my painting. I just did it like right here. I was looking for like a meaningful painting, and I tried my best to do some meaningful painting. So I started trying to be an abstract painting, and then I went on to just get a sponge and then just paint, and then at the end I used like some finger painting, and I actually made a lonely tree in a green and blue skyline. So it's basically a painting of me right now, like being alone and stuff like that. So yeah, a lonely tree, lonely person, sort of. So yeah, that is my studio. I love it. Anyway, I just got back from throwing all the clothes and everything. Adila, when they left, they have all these clothes, so they just left it here. So I went and put it outside the road. Hopefully people will pick it up. I actually bring the mattress out during the day. Around 4 p.m. I came back from football. The mattress was not there, so I'm hoping that the same thing will happen to all the clothes and stuff. So anyway, there'll be more good things from here, I hope. I kinda like it. Now here's the thing. This, I don't know if it is temporary or this gonna be a long run thingy. I still don't know yet. So I don't know if I'm gonna get myself a roommate. So if I get myself a roommate, then I have to find a place to just stay in this room and sleep here while I give my room to whoever my roommate is. That's if I find a roommate, or actually do some work stuff, side hustle to earn, because I kind of cannot afford the rent here. But fingers crossed I get a job. If I don't get a job, then I might just move out and probably will go home, and this thing will be like my studio for 1 or 2 months. But at least I have something or some place where I can actually just talk. So yeah, I built myself a studio and I love it.